Hello everyone and welcome back to MediNotes or Medicos. The topic that we're going to deal today is about an overview of hypersensitivity from the topic of microbiology. The objectives are introduction, the classification, immediate hypersensitivity and delayed hypersensitivity. So what is hypersensitivity? So any sort of heightened response caused due to the immune system which leads to any sort of injurious consequences or undesirable consequences when a host or when a person or an individual is exposed to specific sorts of antigens, which might be serum proteins, pollen grains, etc. This would sensitize the host, so we would be calling the host that is affected as sensitized host. This is known as hypersensitivity. So what is the classification? So the classification is based on time and it's based on mechanism. So based on time, we have two, that is immediate and the second is delayed hypersensitivity. And based on the mechanism, we have five: type 1 mechanism, type 2 hypersensitive mechanism, type 3, type 4 and type 5. Now we will be learning about all of this separately in different videos, but we need to know what is immediate hypersensitivity. So immediate hypersensitivity has hypersensitivity that appears and recedes rapidly. Means it can appear suddenly. And it is induced by any sort of antigens which can come by any route. Like it can come by cutaneous way, it can come via respiratory system, it can come via oral system, fecal-oral route, anyway. And this is an antibody mediated reaction. This includes circulating antibodies. Here the desensitization is very easy, but it is short-lived. An example of this is allergy. For example, when you're exposed to some sort of dust and you start sneezing, you eat a cetirizine, it gets subsided. But again, when you get an exposure of dust the next time, you would still have the same allergy. Why? Because it is short-lived. So there are four hypersensitivity based on the mechanisms that comes under immediate hypersensitivity, that is type 1, type 2, type 5 and type 3. Next is delayed hypersensitivity. So this appears very slowly but is long lasting, and this is induced by antigens or haptens that we have introduced intradermally or with fluence adjuvant or by any skin contact. So this is basically cell mediated reaction that's caused by the white blood cells, that is T lymphocytes, T killer cells. These are the cells that causes it. Here the antibodies that circulates in the blood is absent. And here if we have to do desensitization, it is very difficult and so it is long lasting. Type 4 hypersensitivity is one of the classification of the mechanism that occurs under the delayed hypersensitivity. An example I would be giving is about a tuberculin test. Once it gets affected in a human body, it's very difficult for you to recover from it. So that was the video. I hope you liked the video. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. We'll be coming with more educational videos. You can comment below whichever topic you want me to cover for you. We'll be coming with more videos. Till then, stay tuned. Happy learning. This is Ashna Viraju signing off for today. Bye.